Step into the 2007 Lexus RX 350. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It includes power seats, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.